I'm Ben Jones, CEO and founder of BA3 Accounting. Today we're talking about something near and dear to my heart, financial statements. Now, before you start yawning, let me assure you, understanding these documents can be as satisfying as balancing your budget or, dare I say, finding a $20 bill in your old jacket. Financial statements are the backbone of any business. Imagine them as your company's report card. They tell you, your investors, and anyone else interested in your business just how well or not you're doing. And the financial statements are a bit like reading a book. It helps to explain the story of your company if you know how to read it. So let's break it down into bite-sized pieces. First, we have the income statement, also known as the profit and loss statement. This is beauty, and it tells you whether your business is making money or not. But the devil is in the details. You can see your revenues, expenses, and profits. You should be able to see if things are growing, you're spending too much on coffee in the office, or how you're doing compared to other companies. It requires a little understanding and an ability to analyze your information. Just like any story, there is usually some background with the main characters, which are the pieces on the statement we've already alluded to, which are the revenue, expenses, and income. By reviewing information over time, it gives you a lot of insight into the story of what's going on. Now the balance sheet. It can be overlooked, but it's a powerful chapter or two in the story. It provides a snapshot of your company's financial health at a given moment in time. It can tell you about your assets, liabilities, and equity. Imagine it as a family photo, where you can see all your business's financial relationships, who owes what and who owns what. And depending on how things change over time, it will tell you if you might have been taking a little too much debt, or you haven't been paying attention to customers paying you and your accounts receivable are possibly growing. There's a lot in there. Now the third one is the statement of cash flow, and it tracks the flow of cash in and out of your business. It's a personal favorite. Show me the money, baby. And that's what this statement does. It keeps track of every movement of every dollar. It's divided into three sections: operating, investing, and financing activities. How did money move through your operations or your day-to-day? Then, how did you invest the money, such as buying new equipment? And finally, how did you get the money financed? Was it through a bank? I love to see how it shows you how well your company generates cash to pay for things like debt and operating expenses, or how the cash is really produced. Now, why should you, as a business owner, care about these statements? Well, for starters, they help you make informed decisions. Whether you're considering expanding your business, cutting costs, or simply trying to keep the lights on, these documents provide the insights that you need. Moreover, investors and lenders scrutinize these statements to decide whether your business is a safe bet. It's almost like a dating profile for your business. The better your financial statements look, the more attractive you are to potential investors and partners. Financial statements are more than just numbers on a page. They are a story of your business, and they provide critical information that helps in planning, decision-making, and attracting investments. So embrace them, understand them, and let them guide you to financial success. Thank you for your time, and remember, keep those financial statements in check, and I'll see you on our next video.